A significant number of individuals overlook the impact of their living environment on their eye health. They fail to recognize that external factors such as climatic conditions and cost of living can contribute to a wide range of visual impairments, even if they maintain good eye hygiene practices. We have put together one of the most favorable cities to reside in for promoting good eye health. The skyline at night in Tacoma, Washington, USA. Lido Beach, Sarasota, Florida. Cityscape in the historic French Quarter at twilight in Charleston, South Carolina, USA. Mobile, Alabama, USA. Downtown skyline at dusk. Portland, Vancouver, Oregon. Orange County, California. Honolulu, Hawaii. Jacksonville, Florida. New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. Downtown. Seattle, Bellevue, Everett, Washington. Relish the magnificence of your surroundings with sharp and clear vision. Contact Excel Laser Vision at 310-905-8622 for a free eye consultation.